In this video, I will show you exactly how to launch your very own website for free using a powerful platform called Netlify. If you have been looking for a fast and reliable way to get your code onto the internet without spending a dime, you are in the right place. To get started, you will need to log into your Netlify account and head over to your main dashboard. Once you are there, look at the left sidebar layout and click on the section labeled Projects. From this menu, you want to select the option to add a new project. This will open up a few different deployment paths for you to choose from. For today, we are going to focus on the simplest method, so please choose the option to deploy manually. Now you have two main ways to proceed, depending on where your files are stored. If you have your website files saved locally on your computer, you can simply drag and drop your entire project folder directly into the upload area on the screen. However, if you prefer a more professional workflow, you can choose to connect your project from GitHub. This second option is fantastic because it allows your website to update automatically every single time you push new code to your repository. Whichever method you decide to use, Netlify will begin processing your files immediately. You will see a progress bar indicating that the system is building your site and preparing it for the web. Once that process finishes, you will be given a unique URL. Now you can officially go live and share that link with the entire world. It truly is that easy to get started with web hosting. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helps you build something amazing today.